Chapter 14 Geometrical Concepts Learning Objective. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand open and closed figure, know the types of angles and compare them, draw the different types of angles. Warm up. How many triangles are there in the given figures? Count and write. Open and closed figure. The figures that begin and end at the same point are called closed figure. Examples. The figures that do not begin and end at the same point are called open figures. Example. Facts to know. In geometry, a closed shape can be defined as an enclosed shape or figure whose line segment and or curves are connected or meet. They start and end at the same point. Simple closed figure. The closed curve that does not intersect itself is called a simple closed curve. Example. Polygon. Polygon is a simple closed figure formed by three or more line segments. Some of the different types of polygon are shown below. Name, shape, number of sides. Triangle 3, quadrilateral 4, pentagon 5, hexagon 6, heptagon 7, octagon 8. Exercise 14.1. Question 1. Which of the following are closed figures? Answer. A and C are closed figures. Question 2. Which of the following are open figures? A and B are open figures. Question 3. Which of the following are simple closed figure? A, C and D are simple closed figures. Question 4. Which of the following polygons are quadrilateral? A, C and D are polygons or quadrilaterals. Angles. When two rays originated from the same point, then they form an angle. Or we can say that two rays having a same end point forms an angle. In the above figure, AB and AC are the two arms of an angle. The angle formed inside the two arms is known as interior angle. The angle formed outside the two arms is known as exterior angle. Many objects around us forms an angle. Examples. Two arms of a scissor, two hands in the clock, two legs of a trousers. Naming an angle. The symbol angle is used to denote an angle. The angle can be named as BAC or CAB or angle A. Sometimes the name of an angle can also be written as by putting a number inside the angle. So BAC can also be written as angle 1. Quick tip. The vertex denoting the angle is always written in the middle. Exercise 14.2. Question 1. Which of the following figure represent an angle? Answer. A, C, D and E represents an angle. Question 2. Name each of the following angles in any two ways. Question 3. Count the number of angles found in each of the following figures. Also write their names. Answer. A, 2 angles. B, 4 angles. Question 4. Draw the following angles. A, angle PQR. B, angle XYZ. C, angle 5. D, angle 2. E, angle 3. F, angle ABC. G, angle LMO. H, angle 6. Types of angles. There are 6 types of angles. 1. Acute angle. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. For example, angle XYZ is equal to 45 degree. Angle XYZ is an acute angle. 2. Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. For example, angle XYZ 120 degree. Angle XYZ is an obtuse angle. 3. Right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degrees is known as right angle. For example, angle XYZ is equals to 90 degree. Angle XYZ is an right angle. 4. Straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degrees is known as straight angle. For example, angle XYZ is equals to 180 degree. Angle XYZ is a straight angle. 5. Reflexive angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is known as reflexive angle. For example, angle XYZ is equals to 220 degree. Angle XYZ is a reflexive angle. 6. Whose angle or complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 degrees is known as whole angle or complete angle. For example, angle XYZ is equals to 360 degree. Angle XYZ is a whole angle or complete angle. Teacher's note: tell student that always use capital letters to denote angle names. Exercise 14.3, question 1. Without measuring, identify the types of angle. A. Acute, B. Obtuse, C. Right, D. Straight, E. Reflexive, F. Complete. Question 2. Identify and write the types of angle. A. 25 degree acute, B. 100 degree obtuse, C. 90 degree right, D. 280 degree reflexive, E. 80 degree acute, F. 160 degree obtuse, G. 360 degree complete, H. 180 degree straight. Question 3. In the following figure, name any 10 acute angles, 6 obtuse angle, 1 straight angle and 2 right angles. Think wisely. I have 4 sides and 4 right angles. My top and bottom are equal and my left and right are equal. What am I? Answer: rectangle. Mental maths. Write whether the statements are true or false. 1. Each face of a cube is a rectangle. False. 2. A polygon can have a minimum of 2 sides. False. 3. A triangle has 4 vertices. False. Maths lab activity. Materials required: paper, scissor and pencil. Steps: 1. Draw a circle of any radius on the paper using a paper plate. 2. Cut out the circle you have drawn on the paper. 3. Now fold it so that the 2 parts are exactly over each other. 4. Open it. The crease will be along the diameter. 5. Now fold it along a different line. Teacher's note: teacher will provide the cut out of the circle to the students.